Hey everybody, welcome to Taiwan On. We are featuring a soup today at the restaurant. It's a Vietnamese pho, okay? And I got a rice noodle already finished, and I'm gonna do an egg noodle this time for this soup, okay? And I got egg noodle here. We're gonna do a dry egg noodle, okay? I'm gonna soak this in a hot steaming water here for a little bit. Okay. This is gonna be fun to do before I'm finished and done with this soup station. You're gonna have different type of meat choice, different type of noodles for this dish. Okay. I'm gonna break this noodle up a little bit. Okay. You don't need to soak it too long on this. Okay. This is real simple to do. Okay. I like to have a little bit of onions on this, cilantro, do with carrots. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna do barbecue pork. This barbecue pork is Asian barbecue pork. I marinate this pork overnight, and I bake them about 2 to almost 3 hours. Okay. This is a pork loin. That's what I use, and we're gonna cook, heat this up a little bit. It's already cooked. I'm gonna put it in our broth. You can have this soup with broth or without broth. Okay, I'm gonna do this one without broth. Okay. Okay, beautiful that look. Yeah. And then I'm gonna finish garnishing it. I'm gonna put a little bean sprout in it. Okay. I like pepper, as you know. This Thai chili right here, add that a little bit more. I like a little bit of sugar. Okay. And I like garlic oil in mine. Okay, I got a vinegar that I made here, vinegar and chili. Okay. With hot pepper. Okay. Put a little bit on top of that. Okay. And there we have it. Come join us.